In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use charts and graphs in Wealthbox Reports. These visualizations will help your firm get even more value out of your CRM data by allowing you to present information in familiar, easy to digest formats. So to get started, let's head over to the reports section, and I'll go ahead and run this open opportunities report that I have here. And you'll notice at the top right that you'll have your report view that you're used to. You'll also find a hybrid view as well as a charts view. So let's go ahead and add a new chart here. And you have different types of charts and graphs that you can add. You've got your bars, columns, line, donut, and funnel. I'll go ahead and choose column for this example. Let's go ahead and title this Open Opportunities by Advisor. And I'll go ahead and leave the x-axis as assigned to, but you have a lot of different options here. The y-axis, you might want to see your total number of opportunities, but I'll go ahead and switch that over to the sum of the AUM amount. So let's go ahead and save that chart. Now you can see that chart pops up here. You can go ahead and change the chart that you're looking at. So I'll go ahead and change that to a bar graph instead. When I save it, right away, it'll change that for me. Now, I can also go ahead and add a second chart. I could do that by hovering my mouse over to the right of this first chart, or I could go to Actions and Add Chart. This time around, let's go ahead and add an opportunity funnel. I'll go ahead and change the color by to the stage. And what I'll do is I'll change that value over to the sum of the AUM amount as well. And let's go ahead and turn off the legend for this chart. Now you'll notice that funnel pops up directly next to our first chart. I can now hover my mouse over the individual stages that I have in this funnel, and I'll see exactly what that represents. And that is how to use charts and graphs in Wealthbox Reports.